Hey folks, how you going? Benno here. Welcome to the shed. Today we're just going to do a battery swap out on a XG500 or Street 500 Harley Davidson. Yeah, so we'll just go through the process. A lot of people seem to have a bit of trouble with this, and there's not much on the internet. The one I've seen is pretty rubbish. So I'll try to put something together that's a little bit more accurate and see where we go. Okay, well, the first thing we've got to do is take the seat off. Don't use that strap across there, makes the seat too hard to get off. Single screw at the back, undo that, if you don't scratch any paint. And the seat comes off as easily as that. Alright, then let's pull these side covers or pods or whatever you want to call them. Take them off. Alright, so the GoPro shirt's off again, so I'm just going back to the phone. What we've got to do, okay. I'm going to take this cover off here. And this cover here, I think, or is it all, might be all one piece. I can't remember, I've done it before, but I can't quite remember. So, so what I'll do is just put that in, and I'll use a little shifter just to break it. There we go. This little bike will be coming up for sale shortly. Time to move it on. But this Harley Davidson is metric, built in India. Not a bad little bike, you know. Very good, not a bad little learner bike. Reasonable power. Nothing I'd get terribly excited about though. But then again, I prefer a bigger bike myself. All right, so we need to undo this nut here. It's battery earth there. That would just little socket on it. It's tight. Now it'll come undone finger by finger. Your earth lead for the battery runs up through here and into the battery. Alright, so we just pop out the main fuse here, which is that one there. Just lift that, up, and out it comes. Then I have to undo, there's an Allen screw there and there's an Allen screw there. This whole thing will then push forward and flop out of the way here. Okay, so I just used a little shifter again. No, that one wasn't that tight. Alright. And then we've got this one down the bottom as well. Alright, now this should all push. Get that one out of the road. And the whole lot. Will flop down there out of the way, and there's our battery. I just sitting there loose. It's not the best thing I've ever seen, but I think this holds it in place. Okay, so There's your battery. Just slide that out a little bit. Be able to get an Allen key onto the screw. Undo that positive lead. Oh. Let that go. And then we undo the negative terminal. Yep, there it goes. And out comes the battery. Pain in the bum, but yeah, it's not that hard. Some people make a real job of it, but you don't have to really work that hard to change them. Alright guys, well that's about it. That's it in a nutshell, the Street 500 battery removal. It's a pretty simple job. It's a little bit to take off, but just got to be a little patient and not force anything. And yeah, it's pretty easy to do, I think anyway. To replace the battery, it's exactly the opposite of what we've just done. So do it in reverse and that puts it all back together. Anyone's got any questions, give me a yell and I'll try and answer them. Okay, catch you later.